Hello and welcome to the Pinter Beer Chef. Today we'll be looking at an alternative to the shake and brew method from Pinter. As you will no doubt have heard from somebody, or you will have done it yourself, you will have put your fresh press into the Pinter, shaked it up, only to find out that it's not been mixed properly, you've not shook it around enough, and it runs into the docking station and you've just wasted anywhere up to £25. So today we are looking at how to brew like a pro. We'll be looking at getting away from the shake and brew, and we'll be going down a more traditional method of mixing the fresh press in a saucepan like we would with any other extract kit, and perhaps leaning a bit towards how we would manage all grain recipes as well. So let's have a quick look at the method. So there you have it. I hope that has given you some ideas or something to try. I would recommend you give it a try. Let me know how you get on. And if it works out for you, you can consider yourself now a Pinter 3 Pro brewer. So that's it for today. I will catch you on the next one.